The Game of Life and How to Play It. Chapter 8. Intuition. Intuition is a powerful tool that we all possess, and we should learn to trust it more fully in our lives. By tuning into our intuition, we gain access to a higher intelligence that can guide us towards our highest good. Our intuition often speaks to us through our inner voice, dreams, and subtle impressions, and we should learn to recognize and interpret these messages. Our intuition can help us make better decisions, avoid danger, and seize opportunities that come our way. We should learn to distinguish between our intuition and our fears, as our fears often masquerade as intuition and can lead us astray. By practicing meditation, we can quiet our minds and enhance our ability to tune into our intuition and receive its guidance. Trusting our intuition leads us to a more fulfilling and purposeful life as we align ourselves with the flow of the universe.